In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add constant contact email integration with Wix. To get started, sign into your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage your website, apps, and connected tools. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Apps section. From there, open the App Market. This is where Wix lets you browse and install integrations that connect your site with other platforms. Inside the App Market, use the search bar to look for Constant Contact. Make sure you select the official app card, so you are connecting the correct integration. Using the official app is important because it helps ensure the connection is secure and works properly with Wix. After opening the Constant Contact app page, continue by choosing Add to Site. At this point, Wix may show a permission screen. Read through the access request carefully so you understand what the app is allowed to do on your site. If you receive a prompt related to approval or permission, continue by selecting Agree and Add. This confirms that you want to install the app and grant the connection it needs in order to work. Next, you will be asked to sign into your Constant Contact account. Enter your account details on the login screen to continue. Be sure you are logging into the correct account that you want connected to your Wix website. This will help avoid syncing the wrong contact lists or campaign data later. Once you are signed in, Constant Contact will usually display an authorization screen. This is where you confirm that Wix can communicate with your Constant Contact account. Click Allow to approve the connection and authorize the data sync between both platforms. After that, the integration should begin connecting your Wix site with Constant Contact. This allows the two platforms to share the necessary information so you can use your email marketing tools more smoothly alongside your website. If the connection does not appear right away, give it a moment and check for any confirmation messages on screen. A good final tip is to make sure you complete each prompt fully before closing the window or navigating away. Interrupting the setup can sometimes leave the integration incomplete, which means you may need to start again. Once authorization is complete, your Constant Contact and Wix connection should be in place and ready to use. That covers everything you need to know.